Highway Pro. So on this video I'm going to service the Volvo SUV. So I'm going to service it, changing the oil filter. I'm going to drain the oil. Here, using the 17. Let me use the oil. Masa di sebelah oil filter. So I'm going to change my oil filter with the baby one. So this is our diesel filter repass per motor, guys. Diesel filter repass per motor. That's the diesel filter. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so I think we are done here with the Volvo XC60. We have done the service. So if you like your car to be saved, put the contract on the screen, and yeah, WhatsApp, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the Highway Pro, even on Facebook, and yeah, zip.